I'm back with slime. I'm excited. I really liked, well, I really liked this show so far, but I've been really enjoying the last couple of episodes even more. Like, each episode I watch, I fall more in love with this show. I think episode 5 really sealed the deal for me. Kaijin is just probably one of my favorite characters. He's just so cool and real, and I just love like down-to-earth real people. I just love that. And then Mr. Rimuru, Mr. Slime, is just a sweetheart, and I just, he's my hero because he takes care of everybody. Loki. But I'm gonna count down for the full-timer reactions, and if you're interested in having that or the perks for early access, those links to Patreon are down in the description box. But all right, I shall get started. This reminds me of Elfin Lied. So we can control her. Okay, so this got it is a little darker. Wow. Oh wow. I was saying this was a very like wholesome, sweet anime, but it's like a little Pokemon. So she has these marks and so does she. I wonder what that means. Is this a flashback? So she's a slave too then. Well, he can sense that this guy is evil. Oh no. He's gonna make her kill him. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, and her? Oh my. Oh. When she comes to, she's gonna realize what she did. Oh man. Yeah, this just seems so unfair with like, she was in war. Well, she wasn't in war. I mean, freaking they brought it to them. Her mom dies in front of her and then now she's under this curse. It's absolutely not fair. So, Slime, Rimuru should be able to help her, I think. I mean, she's probably afraid of hurting somebody. Aww, that's like their spot. Yeah, then she, right. I mean, it's literally a curse on her. It doesn't take me that long, but I'm not also putting a lot on. Slime! Maybe he could help her. Oh. No, I know you guys want to get close to her, but... Slime, you're gonna have to swallow her. Like, I mean, it's just true. Oh. That's so sad. Oh. He's a very cool looking demon. Oh, wow. So Slime was smart to say to evacuate because I did not see any of this coming. Yeah, that's so frustrating. This is like a video game, though. It's like we've got to fight the boss at some point. It's episode 7 or 6 or something. Ooh, okay, no, it doesn't work. Oh, what is he gonna do? Maybe Black Lightning now? No, you guys all have to work together. The music. Yeah, this really looks like a video game. It's... Well, damn, good. I mean, gee, how many of these are they gonna take? Oh, Ranga is so sweet. So, I mean, he's just so cute. But he's a good boy. That's right. They needed a lot more all at once. Yeah. Oh, man. He really is a hero. I like how he can be a hero in this life. You know, in his other life, he wasn't doing a whole lot. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm glad he still has this ability. Do the music. Okay, you know you gotta shift over. Move. Oh no. His life. Yeah, what's going on? Is he teasing her? He's very lucky. Like, luck is definitely on his side. He thinks he was leaving? But the fire doesn't do anything to him. Is he gonna take him in? I hope the whole town or the whole village wasn't burnt. Oh, wait a minute. Wow. The great Rimuru. Nice. So he's just in this like black hole within him. Oh, the episode's done. Yeah, I really like this show, definitely. I mean, it's got a really feel good feel to it, but then now obviously there's been more like reality is kind of being hit with the truth, like the darkness of this reality, I guess. With Shizu and her being a pawn, and it's just weird how they're chosen, like why they choose these like bodies to inhabit. Like Leon just will summon whomever, and that was the thing I don't understand. Didn't Leon summon her? So when she says, I want to find who summoned me, that's kind of confusing to me, because I would have assumed it was Leon. So if it wasn't him, then what? But clearly he's not a good guy, and he has control over her. But what I'm hoping for is that Rimuru saved her, basically. He's like, what is that called? When he exorcised her, and now the demon is gone and she's free, I'm hoping. Because, yeah, I mean, it's sad. They started off with her friend, like she killed her friend and her friend's little, like, new friend, her new pet. Yeah, it's sad. So yeah, it's not always like rainbow sunshine and butterflies in this show, and that's that's life. It's not easy, but for some reason Slime is being or Rimuru is given a lot of luck in this life. Like his last life was not very lucky. He didn't live to his fullest potential, but now he is, and he's like going above and beyond. So it's actually it's really cool to see that within him, and it's not like he's like this. I think when I first heard of this anime, I was like, why would I watch this? The main character is a slime? I don't understand. Like it in my head, it wasn't clicking. And I think that was even at the time where I was maybe more thirsty too. I'm not as thirsty as I was like when the channel first started. But in that time frame, it was all about like JoJo's and stuff, which of course forever in my heart. And the thirst is real for those men. But I think it was just kind of like, well, who am I going to be attached to or whatever, I don't know. And this was like a year or so ago when I first heard about this. I think it's been out for that long. But yeah, I'm very impressed. I'm glad that my assumptions were wrong and I didn't listen to my head of like, don't watch this. Because again, a lot of things have just been changing in my own life, just personally. Like, I don't know, I feel people get older, people change, people evolve, and my heart is really, I'm all about right now, is figuring out who I am in my life and trying to be me wholeheartedly, trying to be comfortable in my skin, and finally having a chance to really understand myself and dig deeper into who I am and what makes me tick in good ways and bad ways. So seeing shows like this, I guess I'm more drawn to them because it's just about people coming together and going above and beyond, pushing themselves to their limits or past their limits. And there's like this wholesome, like a wholesome feel to this one as well. I felt like FGO Absolute Demonic Front was like that too. I really, really, really liked that one a lot. And this has that same vibe, and it's kind of like a mixture of ADF and Konosuba, which is cool. And then it has its own story. But yeah, I love it. I think there's a lot of heart to it, and I'm excited to keep watching this. And yeah, I really, really, really do like it a lot. And I don't know like how much praise this anime has gotten, but I'm sure it's probably a big one now that I'm like getting into it. And I think there's a second season, and I'm already like thinking about like, yeah, I definitely want to watch it, and I will come back with Konosuba, the second season of Konosuba as well. But yeah, I just wanted to give some praise to it, and also just saying like, yeah, there was a moment where I was like, I don't know if I will watch this because I don't know if I'll be able to relate to it or have connection to it. But then I was proven wrong, like right off the bat. Especially, I think it was like episode 3, where it was like, oh yeah, well, I like this a lot. But that's all. I shall see you guys in the next episodes, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, everybody.